Yeah. So this is a table name. It is import shipment notification. So this module has one out of the box template. Okay. So in this template, you need to feed all the information. So like you can use this feature when you are implementing AmPro in the customer environment. So you can ask customer to share the information in this template so that you can create the bulk asset records using this out of the box template. Okay. And another way you can like uh, you come to know that you are going to receive 5,000 laptops on this week. Okay. So you can inform, you can ask that vendor to share the serial numbers. What are the serial numbers they gonna deliver? Okay. So you can before delivering that material, you can receive that assets. You can keep it ready for configuration at least. So, you need to make sure one thing, okay? If the asset record is not available in ALM asset table, you should not provide that asset to SD team for configuration. Okay. So in the back end, many companies, as I told, they have not enabled that CA enforced verification. Okay. So that if SD team is configuring any laptop, it will go to SCCM. After that, SCCM will share that information to ServiceNow. ServiceNow will create that CA record in ServiceNow. After that, what will happen? If CA records created in CMDB CA table, automatically one asset record will be created in the ALM table. Okay, so that's the reason we are telling you to. Please do not give any laptop to SD team for configuration without it is available in ServiceNow. And then if you are, what will happen if you are creating the asset record in ServiceNow? After that, one CA record will be automatically created in ServiceNow by using business rules. After that, if you are giving that laptop to this ST team, okay, that information will go to SSCM. After that, the SSCM will share that information to ServiceNow. ServiceNow, instead of creating, it will update that information in on that record. Okay, so that's why we are saying. Because if CA is creating any asset record, then again you need to manually update the financial information. So that is not the best practices. Okay, so this is that out of the box table. Here in this table, I'll tell you what are the fields that you need to fill. Okay, you need to fill this PO number, vendor, manufacturer, and serial number, quantity. After that, you need to fill these four fields. Okay, once again. Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Hi, Nitya. So,
Got disconnected.
from when once you are not
No,
there?
no, no.
Sorry.
I was there till you completed like 1 second. You asked
Okay,
for a
okay,
minute.
okay. So these are the mandatory fields, okay, that you need to fill when you are getting the information from vendor or your client company, okay. So if you're sharing this template to your client company, they need to fill all these mandatory fields, okay. PO number, vendor, okay. This PO number, okay. If client is not having PO number, that is fine, okay. But if you are if you have created a purchase order in that purchase order module, okay, so you need to
Mhm.
give that PO number in this B column, okay, like wait, I'll take you to this. So you need to provide this number, this
Okay.
P triple zero, so that like if you have I mean you have a 300 quantity, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
if you have received 150 quantity from vendor, then if you are using this advanced shipment notification, okay, once you received, it will minus that quantity, how much you have received. Okay, so now and then we'll create one model record. Yeah. So these four fields information, okay, you need to get it from location. Okay, for that you need to navigate into stockroom table. So so once you went to this stockroom, okay, you need to click this location. Okay, you need to open that location
Okay.
record. So here you need to copy all the details. Okay, that street name and then
Okay.
city name. Okay, you need to, you should not give any incorrect. Okay, you need to provide that exact, that's capital small also should match. Okay, you should not give, I mean, small example, you should not give this Santana is showing capital small, right? You should not give here as a small. You need to
Mm-hmm.
copy from this stockroom location
Mm-hmm.
record and then you need to paste that information. Okay, so here that zip code, that field is showing empty, right? If the field is empty, you no need to give that information. Okay, okay. So now I'm taking you to this module. Nitya, are you there?
I'm here. I'm here. I'm
Okay,
checking.
okay. So now I'm going to upload this template. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So before that, I'll show you. See, now these model records are not available. Totally, we have a 60 records. Okay. So now I'm going to show you when within how many seconds it is getting created in ServiceNow. Um, if I give upload, Just getting test started. Yeah. Yeah, test created within almost 45 seconds. Okay. So within
Okay.
45 seconds, it has created. By default, the status will show in transit only. Okay.
Mhm.
Sometimes this question will be asked in the interview. Okay. If you are using advanced shipment notification. So once you receive the asset, what is the default state? Default state, we need to say it will show in transit. Okay. Um, so after that, you need to change that record state uh, in stock available. Okay. So if I open a one sample record, so you can see it has, I mean, if you are creating manually, we need to map that model category, hardware model, and then we need to fill the asset tag, serial number. Okay. But in the advanced shipment notification, we don't need to fill that information. Okay.
Mhm.
As we have this the out of the box template, using that we can create in number of records. Okay. There is no limit. Okay. Even if you have a 2 lakh records, you can using this out of the box template, you can create that records in ServiceNow. Okay, so as I said, we can use this feature in a two ways. One, if you are implementing AMPRO, then you can ask client to fill that information in that out of the box template, and you can upload that. And then if you come to know you are going to receive a 500 quantity from vendor, you can ask vendor to share that information before they going to deliver that asset, so that you can keep it ready. That so yeah. So do you have any and then once you created the asset records, other details you need to fill manually. That invoice number, okay, invoice number and all you need to fill manually. Okay, in the list view you can see that details.
If you're having